Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to be going over ticker symbol HCMC. Before I get into the video though, all I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and like the video because it shows you guys are still interested in these types of videos. Also, at the end of each of my videos, I'll be providing my subscribers with free ARK Invest buy/sell alerts for their various ETFs. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what happened to HCMC this past week. Now, it is no surprise that stocks like HCMC had such a massive downfall because people were liquidating their penny stocks and their OTC stocks to put them into tech stocks like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, etc. However, I'm not worried about this whatsoever. I believe we found a bottom on HCMC, and just remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything I say is my own opinions, but anyways, the reason why I feel like we found such a massive bottom is because we have so much volume coming in, and now we have reversed. It is no more selling, it is more green candles, and you know what green means, obviously, it's buying pressure. Now for the stochastic RSI, I mentioned that the stochastic RSI needed to come down in my previous videos, because if they didn't, then there would be no crossing of the lines, and the lines need to cross. That's basically how stochastic RSI works. When the lines cross at the top, which for example right here, that indicates, okay, be careful, you should probably sell because there's probably going to be more selling pressure coming soon. And when the stochastic RSI, the two lines are at the bottom and they end up crossing, that means now is a clear sign of reversal, and it looks like there will be more buying pressure coming in. And not only the stochastic RSI showing that, but as I mentioned just a while ago, we are now having clear signs of green volume bars coming in, which is very much different because this past week, this past month even, all we've been seeing is so much red candlesticks. That's why in my previous video I mentioned that yes, it did look like HCMC was gonna fall, and that's what happened. And now it looks like we're just gonna be seeing a reversal because we finally have the two lines at the bottom of the stochastic RSI crossing, and usually when we end up at this area in the stochastic RSI, we have a major movement to the upside. But the next question becomes, okay, well, if we're gonna have a reversal, which I personally believe that we will, but again, that's just my own opinions, I believe that we will have a reversal coming soon with HCMC because it's just gone down so much. But also that was, in my opinion, was probably very much due to the fact that the entire market was very bad this entire week. But anyways, aside from that, this upcoming week, what should we expect? What exact key points should we expect? Now, right now, all I'm going to be doing is looking at the 1 year, 1 day, and what I'm going to do is, again, draw some support and resistances because this is the easiest way to identify when to buy and when to sell. So the first support line that I'm going to draw, and actually we even went a little bit lower than this, but that just shows you how weak the entire market this week was. It would be the 0.001018. That would be support number one, and as you see, we went even a little bit lower than that. But now the good news is that we are above that, and that is most definitely because of the volume that we've been having, except now the volume is in the positive side. It's bullish and it is green instead of red. So that is why we are currently above the support. Now for the resistance, what we have here is we need to break the 0.002017. This is a massive support that if we don't break, we could be stuck in this consolidation area for quite a while until we obviously break it. So again, that's the 0.002017 area. If it does not break the 0.002017 area that I just drew, then what we could end up seeing is, because I believe that the market will be so much more stronger this upcoming week because stimulus just got passed, is we could end up consolidating and then just in one time we could just end up breaking. So maybe we could hit the resistance but then come down, then hit it again, then maybe come back down to support, then we could climb higher and higher and higher, then the next time that we hit the support we could just end up breaking. And so if we did end up breaking this resistance, the next resistance I would be looking at would be the 0.003093. And that is because the last time we were able to break through this resistance, we were able to go all the way to the 0.0065 area, and that would be amazing, right? But one thing that everyone needs to understand is we need to take it one step at a time, meaning that we need to break the first resistance before we could even think about breaking the second resistance. And the reason why I mention this is because on my channel, I do not want any of my subscribers bag holding a stock. Now that is going to do it for the technical analysis of HCMC. I do not believe that HCMC will fall lower. Personally, that is just because I believe we have found a major bottom, and also the indicators are also indicating that we have found a major bottom because of the volume and because of the stochastic RSI. Now that we've got the technicals out of the way, let's see what ARK Invest has been buying this week. The stock of the day that I'm extremely excited to be talking about is known as Butterfly Network, or in other words, its ticker symbol is called BFLY. Now this is a stock that I've been buying ever since it was around $13 and the price rose all the way to highs of almost $30. Now, I'm sure with all the downwards market pressure, this stock was also one of those stocks that went extremely down, as did HCMC and a lot of other stocks. However, Cathie Wood and her team continued to buy shares of this stock into the ARKG ETF. On February 4th of 2021, they had roughly 2 million shares of BFLY. Now, on March 5th, they now have almost 4 million shares of Butterfly Network. Their percent allocation into Butterfly Network was around 34%, and now it has rose to almost 70%. The exact percentage that they have allocated in the stock is 68%. Hopefully this gives some confidence for Butterfly Network investors, because I'm sure we've all seen the recent decline in the price, as we have been seeing with a lot of other stocks, including HCMC and including even Apple, Google, Facebook, etc., Microsoft. However, Cathie Wood and her team continue to buy, so honestly, I wouldn't be worried. But even aside from Cathie Wood and her team, this is still an amazing company. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys want to know about a stock that Cathie Wood and her team have been buying or selling, make sure you guys put the ticker symbol in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.